I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard.
Alright guys, welcome back in this video. This is going to be a quick video. I've done another one which was using a polarizer. And the polarizer itself, now this is taking a look at the two photos we're going to use. You'll see the exposures are different. I did rotate the circular polarizer for those two photos. Now with the photo, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to select two photos. So you'll see the two exposures here. And the first thing I'm going to do is some basic edits in Lightroom. So I'm just cleaning it up. I'm using the clarity, which I usually do on the car, just to bring out some of the detail in the car and some of the midtones as well. Sharpen it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. These are just basic edits, and I'm going to select both photos. I'm going to edit in Photoshop, edit and open as layers in Photoshop. And here with the two, we're going to make sure they're lined up, so we'll auto align both by selecting both of the layers and using the auto align. Make sure everything lines up well. I think it was fine, but it's always good to put that on. And we'll start by putting a mask here, and I'm just going to mask out almost the complete top of this photo. You'll see a little difference here in the tones of the wall, but I'm just going to mask all of that out. We'll take a look here, and the wheels, we'll bring those out. And a quick curves adjustment just on the layer below, and that's just to bring up some of the exposure overall. And next thing we'll do is a cleanup layer. And you'll see there's some things here. There's a little mount here. I had a camera on. I'm going to take that out. I'm just going through quickly with the pen tool, selecting areas, getting rid of the stickers that are in the window. There was a little no parking sign that was in the behind the X2 there. I want to get rid of that. And we're just painting around, taking our time to get rid of some of these little distractions that are actually on the car. We'll do it later. We'll do the background as well. But for now, just wanted to take out some of the small blemishes and some of the distractions that are in the car. So we'll flatten that. Let's just create a new layer. I flattened it because I was completely through. I wasn't going to edit that. So this quick edit here, and this is cleaning up this reflection. There's some trees there. And here in the wheel well, I'm using the pen tool just to select around the wheel well, and I'm going to darken this up. You can see some of the dirt there. I could go around with the whole thing and clean it up, but it's easier just to use a curves adjustment and just bring down the darks there, bring down the blacks, so it'll just kind of create more of a shadow within those wheel wells. And looking around, the car is brand new, so it was nice and clean, which is great. And here I'm going to turn on the headlights itself, and I looked on Google Images just to find a photo of the X2 headlights. Make sure I'm actually turning on the correct parts of the light, making a selection around these areas, and right click, and we'll feather to 0.2 pixels. And I'm just going to paint with white. So I'm going to select a white, just a white brush and paint in. That looks good so far. Now, one more thing I want to do with this is create a slight outer glow on these headlights. And that's pretty good. All right. And what I want to do next is clean up the background. Again, going through this quickly, using a variety of tools to clean up some of the little rocks, some of the grass that's growing out near the walls, and some of the other distractions that are on the walls. A little bit here. This is just taking out, cleaning up the photo overall. And that's good. So that's pretty much it. That's taking two photos, opening as layers in Photoshop, and editing both polarized photos together to make one final image. So that's it for this quick video, this quick edit. I'll see you again in the next video.
All these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven. It's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?